Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. Friends, as mentioned earlier, I am here with another video of short-term technical prediction for Nifty and Bank Nifty. In this video, you will find which side the market is going to go from here onwards, its important levels, and also which stocks to buy and sell for to trade in near term. Let's get started. Friends, I wanted to start with one important point that our Indian markets will never run on its own. It will take cues from international markets. International markets means especially American markets, US 500 index or Dow Jones index. These two indexes are major index in the world. So all international markets takes cues from these particular indexes. So let's see first American US 500 chart pattern. Friends, this is US 500 chart pattern. It has closed at 4036 on last week Friday, and here you can see that it has broken previous high at 3990 levels, and it's been going on higher on highs, so it is an uptrend. And if we see this US American bond yields, it has closed at 1.67 levels. It can go to closer to 2% level. Okay, so you can see this one also going higher on highs. So now when it has started going upwards, then our Indian market started drifting down. So until it gets cool and coming down, our markets will not be going higher on highs. So friends, now let us see Nifty levels. So this is Nifty's chart pattern. It has closed last week at 14,867. Now we can expect next week a big gap up, and with that we can see, if we see here, I have drawn already the uptrend line. This trend line you can see here, if when it opens tomorrow, it means Monday, it can take us resistance at 15,000 or 15,050 levels. That can act as first resistance level. You can take it as a target also, first target, and from then it can go to 15,200 levels. If you see here a trend line which I have drawn already, so at this level it can take a second resistance, which can be a second target upside, and if it breaks this level and goes above, then only we can expect further highs from here. Contrary to that, here yesterday's lower levels, which is at 14,670 levels, that can act as a great support, which are going to be about 14,200 levels here, the previous low, and 14,100 going to be absolute another lower level to be watched. And from then 13,700 level, that is going to act great support. So friends, from here, this 13,700 level, definitely we can expect a very quick bounce back. So that is that level you have to buy any stocks. Okay, so friends, make note of these figures. So upside 15,050, 15,250 or 15,220, above which another one 15,430. So these are higher side levels, and 14,670 is going to be great support. If it breaks downside, we can expect 14,220 or 14,100, and next one is going to be 13,700 levels. Okay, so please make note down of these numbers. Let's see now Bank Nifty chart pattern. Friends, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share among your friends and family. If you have any questions relating to your stocks, then you can post your queries in the comments section below. I will try to get back to your queries as soon as possible. And if this is the first time you are watching my video, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. And also you can join our free Telegram channel for regular updates. Friends, this is a Bank Nifty chart pattern. When we compare with the Nifty, Bank Nifty is underperforming and it has closed at 33,858 levels last week. And you can see here one trend line I have drawn. Tomorrow, Monday, when it opens, it is expected to open gap up, and the first resistance level would be 34,200 levels, and from then 34,500 range. So you can note down these levels as a target 1, target 2 also. And absolute resistance, what I am expecting is 34,650 to 34,900. Okay, but we have to see that going past these 34,550 500 levels, then only we can see 34,650. That is going to be absolute resistance level. Then contrary to that, when it breaks yesterday's low, which is at 33,200 level, then we can expect to see 32,900 levels, and next one 32,800. Those two numbers are going to be very important support levels. Then 32,400 previous low, and even below which we can see 30,500 and 30,000 levels. So those things we can't straight away expect, but up to 31,000s we can expect downside levels. So please make note of these numbers, friends. So friends, let us discuss now the stocks which we can buy or sell in this current market situation. The Tata Group stocks, which have shown very good strength in the recent past. The Tata Group stocks like Tata Power, Tata Chemicals, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, you can buy these stocks on every decline and make profit by trading in these stocks, but try to enter at good levels and exit at good levels even. Okay, contrary to that, if market goes downside, the stocks you can sell in Maruti, Coal India, these stocks did not perform very well in the recent past, so you please enter at right levels only. And this April month is going to be result season, which is starting with IT stocks in first week itself. And the stocks which I have discussed, fundamentals might change basis on their results. So keep an eye on these stocks which you trade and trade accordingly. So friends, if you would like to benefit from stock market index, stocks, or commodity predictions and levels, stay tuned with our channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share among your friends and family. So friends, see you in our next video. Till then, have profitable trades. Take care. Bye bye.